So for this we need to open up a share browser. You can type it here in the search panel. Type in gbcufahmam01.coventry.ac.uk or 10.67.190.59, then type in your username and password. The share browser manual is in the help menu. You can browse files and folders in Sharebrowser even offline, however you will need to mount the volume to be able to update the metadata to them. Do this by right clicking on the volume you want, select mount and then find a drive letter. Create a new folder with right click and create a new folder, or you can press Ctrl+Shift+N. In your source folder, right click on your file, press copy, go to your destination folder and click paste. Right click and rename files. Click on a file, go over to the right hand side and you can preview the file and scrub through from here. Just press play on the little icon, it will play. You can scrub through using the timeline, mute it, enlarge the preview with this button. You can enlarge it again for a full screen, press escape and escape to end. In the tag box, add tags that are relevant to your footage. You can also type tags in, but beware these are locked on your volume. Remove unwanted tags by clicking the cross above the name. You can select multiple files by holding Control and then clicking each file. With multiple files selected, you can bulk tag. You can also bulk tag a folder by selecting the folder and then choosing the tags. Use the top search bar to search for any tags. Just click on the filters, deselect the comments and the metadata, type in your tag information and all the tags will appear. Add comments in the comments box, or alternately you can add a timeline comment by pressing Ctrl+B. In Sharebrowser you can also add custom info. This custom info can form part of the metadata and you can add on a single file or multiple file basis. When you add these fields, it means that you can search by these fields. All the features of tagging, commenting and custom info can be added to any file, whether it's a project file, video file, audio file or image file. If the Sharebrowser plugin is installed for Premiere Pro, just go to Window, Extensions and then Sharebrowser 6.1. This will open up a window that's dockable within Premiere Pro. Make sure that you sign in as you normally would in the Sharebrowser Client, and then you can mount drives, search for your footage and search by tag in here. To add a file, just select the file that you want, select an in and out point and then click and drag it down into the timeline. Or right click on the video and press make subclip and then name your subclip. To enable the extension in DAVINCI Resolve, just go to Workspace, Workflow Integration and then Sharebrowser. This will create a pop-out window. To import a file, just right click and then do import file, or you can create a bin and then select multiple files and then add this to the bin.